Now, this part is a little bit different because, as you notice, I have some dialogue here, and I'm also having to interpret a little bit of the character, Captain Bouncer, and how he's going to be saying this dialogue. But I'll just do it the first time. Again, I'm focusing on breathing, pacing, pausing. I'll put a little bit of emotion since I see that exclamation mark, but let's just give it a whirl. So, land ho! Cried Captain Bouncer one morning as the ship narrowly missed hitting an iceberg. The mice looked at the compass and discovered that they had been sailing toward the North Pole. The compass must have been upside down, insisted Bouncer. I'm tired of being captain anyway. I quit. So, as you saw, I read it at I thought a normal pace. I breathed. I didn't try to hold my breath like, land ho, cried Captain Bouncer one morning as the ship nearly missed hitting an iceberg. The mice looked at the compass. Okay, I just breathed normally. I paused at the end punctuation, that exclamation mark, paused a second or so at that period. Again, here, and the new paragraph. Um, and I had fun. I thought that was pretty good. So, just a few pointers to think about as you do your own reading. I breathed, I paused, and I just did a normal, a natural pace. So, anyway, good luck with that. We'll practice a little bit in the next slide.